Welcome! You're cooking with Mrs. Salisbury, and today we'll be making my Mediterranean chicken. So you'll need a 9x13 baking dish. This one is 2.5 inches deep. I have in here 5 large chicken breasts, and I rinsed and patted them dry. So I'm going to set that over to the side. Now we'll need a medium-sized bowl. What's great is you can make this ahead. You can make it, let it marinate overnight or for the day, then bake it. But I've also found I'm going to mix it up and the dried fruit, just like I am right now, bake it, and it tasted just like I marinated it. So let's kind of step out if we need to. So in a medium-sized bowl, I have 1 cup dried unsulfured organic apricots, 1 cup pitted organic dried prunes. Okay, so then to that I'm going to add 3 crushed garlic cloves. So just 3 crushed garlic cloves, and this is so fast, you guys will love it. Then I have half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon pepper. We don't want too much salt because we have the olives, and we'll have something else that has some salt in it, so we won't need more. Then I have 2 tablespoons of dried parsley. You will need it. I have 3 bay leaves. We'll set those in. And I have 1 tablespoon dried oregano. You may again say, that's quite a bit. Put it in. This tastes wonderful. You will love it. Then I have 2 tablespoons packed brown sugar. You don't need more because we have the sweetness from those apricots and prunes. Okay? Then I have a half a cup of red wine vinegar and a half a cup of olive oil. I put it all in this one measuring cup because it saves on dishes. Next, I have 1 cup Chardonnay. This is great. 1 cup pitted Kalamata olives. 1 cup pitted Kalamata olives. Another reason we don't need more salt, right? We've got it right there, and I gave that a stir. Then we're going to need a half cup of capers, and you'll see I have a little bit of juice in them. Half cup of capers. Love capers. Capers are from unripe green flower buds from the caper bush, and then they're pickled. So here I have this. How simple is this? Look at this. This is great. Here's my chicken breast. Pour over the top. That's it. Pour over the top. And I'm going to have the fork here, so I'm just going to move this around, move the bay leaf around a little bit. And I'm going to make sure the chicken's covered. Put it in the oven and bake it 350 degrees about an hour until the chicken's done. This is going to be all bubbly. I'll show you when we get done. I slice the chicken up and I serve it over long grain rice, or this is actually really good to serve cold. So this is a marvelous recipe. You saw how fast I did it. This is real time. I'm going to go put it in the oven now. I'll see you when we return. Welcome back. Chicken has been in the oven for 1 hour. I put steamed rice on. Like I said, it's great hot or cold. I have it here. Look at this. This smells like the Mediterranean. We have our capers, our apricots, our Kalamata olives, dried prunes. Look at this chicken. This is just yum. Like and subscribe. See you next time.